Salvage Nation squad, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode from your boy D at Salvage Nation. This episode, we are back on my budget 2009 VW Scirocco, and we're going to be finishing this car in this episode. Just want to put this out there, I've got a few things that I'm trying to juggle, I'm preparing for a little bit of a holiday, and I'm just literally just so sapped of energy, and so if my energy comes across a little bit funky today, just remember that I've got a lot that I'm dealing with kind of like off camera, in my personal life, etc, etc. But anyway, with that said, with this car off camera, I went ahead, I'll show you a few clips, I went ahead and I changed out all the brakes. I've been driving it as a daily driver for a few days, and I realized that the brakes were a little bit spongy, so I went ahead and I fitted some brake pads all around. The fronts were easy to do, but I ran into some problems in the back, I had to get a special tool. But anyway, we got that all sorted, and then I wanted to add Bluetooth, so I was going to try to go through the OEM route. I was going to retrofit a Bluetooth module, but then I realized that I'm not getting enough functionality for my money. So the Bluetooth module, the wiring, and the coding would have cost me about 200 quid. So, and then I would just literally have Bluetooth streaming. So I went ahead and I got that one out of there, the original unit, and I put in an Android unit, as you've just seen. That's giving me CarPlay, Bluetooth streaming, internet. It's giving me so much, and I'm very happy with that. It's even giving me a rear view cam, as I've shown you in the clips before. So we're kind of bringing this car up to standard, and we're making it nice and comfortable for the user. Well, now it's time to finish the external work. We've got some work to do on this door, we need to spray this wing, and we need to fix the lower sill. We're going to be completing this car in this episode, so let's get into it. Alright you guys, so that went on for a little bit of a time. Akil came in, he did his thing down here, repaired the door, and as you can see we went ahead and put a bit of filler, bit of fiberglass paste, did some body work, and now it's in primer with the guide coat ready to be sanded flat. So Angus is gonna come in, sand it down flat, Akil's gonna do the old swooperoo, and then we're gonna lay down some paint, and then we're gonna be selling this car. So if you wanna see how much we're gonna sell it for, if we're gonna sell it, how it looks, all of these things, keep watching to the end of the video. Let's continue. Are you alright, bro? You look tired. I wonder why. Guys, take a look. It's now gone 8 PM. I was here at 7 AM. It's been a long old day. We worked away on the Scirocco all day, and have a look. Donald is inside. He was catching some Z's. He's heard me talking and now he's flashing. But Donald's taking a little bit of rest. Thank him. He helped me out all day. Akil came in, did his thing. Angus came in, did his thing. Team Salvage Nation, man. That's the way we do it. Keep it moving. Right now, the paint is gonna stay. We're gonna leave this now overnight, and I'm gonna be in the morning, and we're gonna flat this all down, start it up. We've got a bunch of M4s. Check out all of these M cars. Yeah, buddy. Madness. Everyone's at it today. Everyone's at it today. Press?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, I'm done. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright you guys, so it's the next morning here. I've come down bright and early. It's sunny outside and I've got the Scirocco outdoors. Yeah! So you guys can see the color match on this car because Akil did an amazing job yesterday and I'm happy. Let me show you what the car looks like in the sun. Alright you guys, so first of all, as you can see, I need to get a mirror cover. That's coming in the post. But have a look, this is the bonnet. We never sprayed the bonnet. This is the wing, we sprayed the wing. And the color match, obviously different kind of angles, you're getting different shades of that silver, but silver is really hard to match, and I'm happy with that, man. Look at the bumper, that's the wing, and the color match on that is really, really good. So let's go get the car in the garage. We're gonna flat, sand, and polish all of this area and get everything looking good. Yeah. go. Ready? There it is. Seal is already there. So guys, that's the service done. My guy Donald. It's so good having Donald. Donald's gonna drop it down to, where you going? Car wash. Drop it down to the car wash, take care of all of that, and we're gonna get you some slow motion shots. And I hope you enjoyed this build. So guys, there you have it. Take a look at this little car. It's come together really nicely. This is the final episode on this car. We're still yet to do a few bits off camera, but I just want to show you a few bits. So Akil's going to sort out these bits on the bonnet off camera, but have a look at that wing. Like I showed you earlier, we polished the wing. We went ahead and did a quick service. We've got the car ready because we've got a buyer, and he was like, look, I don't want to wait. He's one of Akil's friends, and he's going to come down, meet me at the garage, and he's going to take it and he'll bring it back at a later date. We're waiting for these bits to come in the post, that little trim down there to come in the post, and we're going to be refurbing the alloys in gloss black. But in terms of for the videos, this is it on this little car, and it's come together really nicely. Just looking at it from every angle, everything just looks really nice, really clean. It drives great, drives smooth. It's got that mag ride. Going inside, have a look. Everything is kind of cleaned up really nicely. The interior looks spanking. We added some value with this new unit and everything else. DSG gearbox works fine. Everything is working great on this lovely little car. So I am happy. I'm going to talk to you about the numbers, and then we can go back to the garage. So when it comes to the cost of the car, we broke it down. I showed you complete transparency. I want it for £2,000 plus the fees. It came up to like 2,400 and a bit. I'll round that up to 2,500. I bought this wing panel from SVA Panels for 148, and I got a little bit of a discount with that. I bought a tyre for 40 quid. I done tracking for 40 quid. And what else did I do? I bought the service parts just now for 40 odd quid. It didn't really need much. It's really cheap for the service parts. So the total spend, an estimate, if I was to estimate everything, total spend is about, for cost price for me, is about 2,700, and I've just agreed a really fair price where I'm happy, the new owner is happy, and Salvage Nation's getting paid, man. I'm gonna cut Akil his cut, and we're gonna get this car off the channel and out of here, man. So that has been it for the little Scirocco build. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's get back to the garage. Thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.